Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So Aimogen was updated recently. Now it supports also Ideogram for generating AI images. So also it is discounted. Go check the link from this video's description. But first, let me show you how Ideogram will be able to generate the images for your blog posts, for the chatbot, and practically for any part of the plugin. So Ideogram will be great. It provides very high quality images, and also it's really great in adding text in images. So as you can see, the magic of Christmas land. The only mistake is with this F here, and the rest of the text is almost perfect. So this little comma here. So yeah, the text in Ideogram images are really great. Each text, as you can see, Glenda, Jesse, family, where love, known bounds and memories are made forever. So Ideogram is known by creating very good quality text in images, and if you want to use Ideogram with Aimogen, you will be able to do this. Let me show you how to do this first. So first of all, go to settings, API key, and add your Ideogram API key in the API keys tab from here. So scroll down until you see Ideogram API key, and now first of all, let me show you it in the bulk AI post creator. So let's create an article and let's assign Ideogram images to it. So first of all, let me think about topic. Best the most popular cat breeds in 2024. Yeah, just some random topic here. And we have add an image to each heading of the article, checked. If we scroll down, we will see that the source of the image, by default, it's set to royalty free, and we can change this to Ideogram. And in this case, the images from the article will be created by Ideogram. And what shall we do? I think it is okay like this, because in this post I just want to show you Ideogram images. And now let's run this rule and it will generate an article for us. Before this finished, let me show you an example post that I created, the best dog feed in 2024. Here it is, a dog bowl and some high-tech stuff, and nutritional innovation shaping dog feeds, top ingredients for optimal canine health. And it seems that it repeated the section title from below in the image also. And this is a nice dog. Okay, so as you can see, this is the quality of images from Ideogram. It provides really good images. Now we get also another post created, and until this is created, let me show you also the chatbot part. So in the AI chatbot menu, we will be able to go to extensions, and here we have Ideogram image extension, and if we enable this, the chatbot will be able to provide images to users using Ideogram. So let me ask the chatbot, show me an image of a floating house on a rainbow. Okay, so this is our prompt, and now the chatbot will process our request and it will use Ideogram to generate an image. Generating images can take a couple of seconds, and here it is, a floating house on a rainbow. And this image can be downloaded. Yeah. So this is the power of Ideogram. We got our text generated, and our new post generated. Here is it. Most popular cat breeds. It's a RoboCat. Feline companions. Trending breeds. Yeah, this title did not contain the cat word. Because of this, it created a dog image, and this one, it actually has multiple species of cats, and yeah, so this once again does not tell that it's cat breed, but it's dog breed. Okay, so ideogram images are like this. You can tweak the settings of the plugin so it adds details about cats in each prompt. I recommend you tweak the article sections prompt so the sections of the article come out in a way that they will be able to provide details that, hey, these are on details about cats and not dogs. Okay, so this is it. Ideogram images added to Aimogen. You can check examples on ideogram.ai. Here you will see many images created by Ideogram. Also, one important thing to note is that you can tweak settings of Ideogram. If you go to the settings tab and go to AI images in the settings menu and go to the AI images tab, you will have Ideogram API settings. You can select the model you want to use. V2 is the best one, but V2 Turbo is much faster, so I recommend using V2 Turbo because it is also good quality and really fast. Magic prompt option, if you want to allow Ideogram to change internally in their system the prompt that you send to them, and they try to improve it actually with this magic prompt option. Ideogram image aspect ratio, style, and color palette. Also, Ideogram can be used in AI content editor. You will be able to set featured images, for example, using Ideogram. So image creation, you will be able to use Ideogram for this. Also, if you want to, for example, use omniblocks, you will have an omniblock special omniblock for Ideogram. So let me clean this up first, and we have here in the configure, you can use AI image Ideogram, and this specifically creates Ideogram images and adds it to the content that omniblocks create. Also, there are multiple shortcodes which use Ideogram, actually Gutenberg shortcodes. So if we go to posts, add new, and we open up Gutenberg editor, we will be able to see many replicate, persona, Midjourney, and this will list also Ideogram shortcodes. Okay, so let me think about what should I show you next, because Ideogram is integrated actually in all parts of the plugin. So as you can see, single AI post creator, bulk AI post creator, omniblocks, content editor, chatbot, and also forms will be able to use the Ideogram part, and much more. Okay, so check this link from this video's description. It goes to Aimogen. It is currently discounted. Go ahead and check it as the discount ends on 3rd of December. So grab it while it lasts, because there will be no more discounts until maybe next Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. Thanks for watching until the end. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. It's always appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.